Hi everyone, Thérèse Martin here with Martin Ranch Winery. We are gearing up for the holidays and our November tasting menu is going to present 5 beautiful wines. 3 of those wines will feature our Holiday Hostess Trio Pack. The first being our 2020 Viognier, which is a beautiful white wine. The second one is our 2020 Carignan, and the third is our 2019 Lester Family Syrah. These 3 wines are beautifully paired with recipes that you will find on our wellness page of the website. Fall is a beautiful time of the year to experience the winery, so we'd like to invite you out here. We are open the 1st and 3rd weekend of November. So I hope you get as excited as we are about the fall, about the offer, and we look forward to seeing you out here at Martin Ranch Winery. Thanks for all the support and have a great holiday season.